What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I feel like this is like XRP overload because I have so much information, so many things that I want to bring to the table about XRP and why this may be something that really pushes the envelope in exactly what we all want to see, which is something compete for Ethereum, something compete for that second and third spot, in the crypto market, and be worth a hell of a lot more and actually have a valid use case, a real use case, a real world use case in today's world. We want to see it because we don't see that with Bitcoin. We barely see it with Ethereum right now until we have a lot of things that are implemented there. But when it comes to XRP and when it comes to Ripple, we understand that XRP is in the background. Ripple is being currently used in various banking institutions. And that opens the door for XRP to actually have that real world use case. And it means so much to us. Now, when it comes to updating everybody about what's going on with the whole legal situation, whether we see, the SEC that's kind of continuing to, string along this case, and I don't even know why at this point. I mean, it seems like they've given up on every single area, but we may end up seeing a settlement sometime soon. Apparently, from what I'm reading, there's a new or technically already established deadline of November 9th, and we may see a settlement before that date. So this is huge news because if we see this before 2024, it's kind of like a buildup to 2024, the launch of the Bitcoin ETF, the Bitcoin halving, and just everything that's happening in 2024. It's kind of a buildup before we hit 2024, leaning more into the fact that we could see a bull market start to establish itself now. And we're already seeing a positive market. We're already seeing that we're pushing up to a $1.2 trillion market cap in the last couple of days. It's been very, very bullish in the last couple of days, and I'm excited about that. People have been asking me recently. They were like, hey, Matt, when do you believe the bull run is actually going to happen? When are we going to see the start to the bull run? And I had to explain to them that I believe that the bull run technically already started, right? Yes, I know you're probably like, what are you talking about? We've seen some negativity, some major negativity. And you're right, we have. But what is the lowest price that we've seen thus far for Bitcoin, for the overall market cap, right? We could see Bitcoin that has dropped down to $15,000. Where is it now? $30,000. We could see that the overall market for cryptocurrency dropped down to $700, $800 billion. Where is it now? 1.2 trillion. That's almost like half. You're almost looking at literally doubling the market cap overall, and you're looking at doubling Bitcoin overall. You're telling me that we're not seeing bullish momentum there, even though it hasn't been the most bullish over that longer extended period of time? Bitcoin looks like it's setting itself up, and you can see that in the chart. And I'll show you guys that before we get into XRP. But guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out my new credit card YouTube channel, feel free to check that out. We have a giveaway that's going on over there, and the details are within that video that is in the cards. But like I said, if we go into Bitcoin here, so if I go into my screen, we go into Bitcoin here, we're going to see currently we're at 31,000 right now. If we look at all history of Bitcoin, what do you see here? You see a bottom out, which is around 15, 16,000. It doesn't really show you the exact bottom, but 15 or 16,000. And then you see it slowly increasing. Even though it looks like it may be like leveling out, it's slowly increasing. The bull market, the start to the bull market already happened. The bottom out to the bull market, or the bottom out to this bear market, and the start to the bull market already happened. It's just, when are we going to see that absolutely skyrocket and start to pick up steam? 10%, 20%, things like that. That's what the real question is behind it, is when are we going to see that? But the bull market has already started. So let's technically talk about what's going on with Ripple and this SEC news, the fact that we may see more bullish momentum that's added to the market. So XRP, right, as you saw with a lot of information, XRP has had win after win after win. We've seen a win in the ruling where they stated XRP is not a security. We had the win in the appeal. talking about how the SEC can't appeal and the appeal was denied. And then we have the win in dropping all charges on the CEO and the chairman. And now we're only at the last section of this, the final stretch, where it's either a settlement or you have a judgment, right? The judgment would be in 2024, but a deadline here of November 9th may look like we might see a settlement before that time period. Now, is a settlement good? It could be good. It could be bad, right? If you open up a settlement, right, which does explain it in here, and maybe I won't go through it because it is, I don't want to go through the whole entire article. I kind of want to summarize it. But if you go through a settlement, technically you have the grounds to appeal decisions there. So I'm not sure if the SEC is really going to go that route, but you do have the ability to do that if you wanted to add a con. So with November 9th approaching, the SEC and Ripple engage in talks seeking resolution and remedies for alleged Ripple violations. So the debate over the likely outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case continue to garner investor interest. Let's see, the investment. Linda P. Jones, the author and investor, shared her views on the SEC versus Ripple case and likely outcome of the briefing schedule. The investment expert responded with predictions of a settlement in the SEC versus Ripple. I agree, however, I think Ripple has a royal flush, meaning they aren't negotiating and can literally name their own terms. Due to exposure in the Hinman emails, the SEC has zero bargaining power. Ripple can 100% name their terms in the settlement. And I agree, right? They have nothing, right? They can basically say, Ripple can say, look, no appeal. We do all this other stuff and blah, 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 blah. And they can set everything that they want. And also have some case law, have a definition, have regulatory clarity that, Coinbase and Binance and every single exchange, every person in crypto really wants. So that's really where that stands. Now, the SEC and Ripple are likely in negotiations to settle before November 9th when dropping the charges against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. The SEC also detailed intentions to progress towards a briefing schedule. A briefing schedule would enable both parties to explore remedies to the charges against Ripple. These being Section 5 violations concerning institutional sales of XRP. The SEC requested a deadline for November 9th before court involvement in the briefing schedules. So obviously seeing this could be a significant time period to where you do have that and you may end up seeing a settlement well beforehand. If you do see that settlement beforehand, it could be big, huge for the crypto market, especially where we're standing and how far the crypto market has kind of risen over these past, couple of days, honestly. If we go into the entire crypto market, if this decides to load CoinMarketCap, hopefully, you figure this out. You could see that things have kind of risen and where we stand. Let's look at the last year. We have been kind of rising from this $1 trillion market cap. We did decrease down here to an $800 or $700 billion market cap. And now we're seeing it push up to some of these higher levels. Yes, we did see a higher push as we saw the first ruling, the initial ruling to say that XRP is not a security. And now we're seeing it push back up and we needed to break through this 1.29 trillion dollar market cap up to a 1.3 and pushing up to a 1.4, 1.5. And this will get us to that point. Honestly, I believe a settlement and XRP or Ripple stating their own terms and understanding the full regulatory clarity could be huge for the crypto market, could be absolutely humongous for the crypto market and the best case scenario, honestly. So guys, let me know what you're thinking about this. I know this is kind of XRP overload. We've had 3 videos on XRP already. This is the 3rd video. And, even the live stream was really about what's happening with XRP. It seems like that's like right in front of our face, as well as the Bitcoin spot ETFs and everything that's bullish in the market. So I'm excited because I want to see green in the market, and so do you. So does everybody else. We want to see XRP run. We want to see, whatever it is, HBAR, Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dogecoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, Avalanche, it doesn't matter what it is. We want to see all of them move because somebody has a position in it and somebody wants to push forward with it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links down below and the link in the cards. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.